Today we are taking a closer look at Grampa's weeder, the original stand-up weed puller tool with a long handle. This tool has been around since 1913 and it is still a #1 bestseller for a reason. Grampa's weeder is built with a real bamboo handle that feels sturdy but lightweight. The long handle design means you can pull out weeds without bending over, pulling hard, or kneeling on the ground. It is perfect for anyone who wants to save their back and knees while keeping their garden clean and healthy. The standout feature is the 4-claw steel head. This claw system easily grabs onto the roots of the weeds and pulls them out completely just by stepping on the foot lever and leaning back. It works on different types of soil, whether it is soft or a little packed down. This makes it super versatile for all kinds of gardens, yards, and even flower beds. One of the best things about Grampa's weeder is how simple and effective it is. There are no complicated parts, no batteries, no maintenance needed. It is a classic tool that just works every time. Plus the real bamboo handle and strong steel claws mean this tool is made to last for years. If you are tired of sore knees, sore backs, and wasting hours trying to dig up stubborn weeds, Grampa's weeder is a game changer. It saves time, it saves effort, and it helps keep your garden looking amazing. If you want to get your hands on Grampa's weeder and see why so many people love it, be sure to check out the link in the description below.